everyone and welcome back to my channel. I am Deepika. Today I'll be taking you through the streets of Melbourne. Queen Victoria Market. Let's go. Queen Victoria Market is one of the major tourist destinations in the Melbourne CBD, and it was established in the year 1878. Melbourne city is full of street arts, wall art, as we can see here. If you like jam donuts, you must try the American Donut Kitchen in the Victoria Market. Victoria Market is also a perfect place to buy fresh fruits and vegetables. The streets around the market have quaint shops and boutiques, also small cafes. If you think it looks good in the day, it looks even better during the night. you like coffee, then this cafe is a must try at Queen Victoria Market. It's one of my favorites. Thanks for watching the video. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to subscribe.